My Kenwood Chef Major mixer has oil/grease constantly seeping out of it. What's the problem and how can it be fixed?
This kind of unit are lubricated with grase paste. If the unit stays inactive for a long time, or if the motor and gears are overheating, the grease paste gets melted into thin oil, and that will cause the leak. The oil leak is usually coming from the gearbox inside the appliance. To fix the problem, the unit must be taken apart and cleaned. After this step, there is need to spread again the grease, using special foodsafe grease paste. Disassemblying the gearbox is not that easy. You will need previous experience and a gear puller to do the job properly and safely. These appliances are also held with security screws to prevent the users from taking apart the unit, and can only be disassembled using a security screwdriver tip. The grease can be purchased here. Check at the bottom of the page, Kenwood Chef Food Mixer Grease. Do not forget to leave feedback. Thanks.
Okay, that's fair enough. The thing is, my mixer is used nearly every day. I will not be able to do this job myself. Would an appliance repair person be able to fix this, or should I return it to Kenwood for a complete service? It is 17 years old. Thanks.
This is not a difficult repair, but you need to find a small appliance repairer. Large appliance engineers often do not do this kind of repair. A good way to proceed is contacting Kenwood to find an authorized repair point. Click here to get a list of authorized repairers in UK, and locate the one nearest to you. Click here if outside UK. Let me know if this will solve your problem. Many thanks. G.
DaddyG, thank you for pointing me in the right direction.
You are welcome. Usually this kind of repair is not expensive. The technician has only to disassemble unit, clean the gears and apply paste again. Do not forget to accept the solution and to leave feedback. Many thanks. G.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.